Good morning, students. Today we will going to start our first chapter of civics, that is on equality, and this is our lecture number 1 of this chapter. So let's start. Yes, students. So first of all, I would like to ask you, which form of the government do we have in India? Yes, we are having a democratic form of government in India. And there are various features of democratic form of the government in India. And the features are people's participation, resolution of conflicts, liberty, equality, justice. So these are the important key features of a democratic form of the government. So now we will see how can equality is an important aspect of the functioning of democracy, and equality as an important aspect. So in this chapter we will see that what is equality, why is it important in a democracy, whether everyone is equal or not. So students, begin this chapter with Kanta, who is standing in a line to cast her vote on election day, and she is very happy. She is standing in a line to cast a vote because she thinks that everybody is standing in that line that is equal, and everybody, her employer is standing in the line, her neighbor is also standing in that line. So she is very happy that everybody is treating equally in her country, and it is yes. So this is an important aspect of a democracy. So in a democracy, everybody is having right to vote, whether he is belong to what class or is belong to what caste, and your educational background, irrespective of all these aspects, everybody is having right to vote, and it is an important aspect of democracy which is known as universal adult franchise. And in a democracy, universal adult franchise, which means that every citizen in India who is 18 or above is having a right to vote, irrespective of their caste, color, creed, gender. Irrespective of all these things, everybody is having a right to vote. But she becomes very unsure in the evening. So why she is very unsure in the evening? Because her daughter is sick, and she has to go take her daughter to the hospital, but she cannot take the day off because her work as domestic help. Her work as domestic help, you can see, and she has to borrow the money also from her employer to take her child to the doctor. So finally, she ends her day by again standing in a long line in front of government hospital. So she becomes very unsure that whether everybody is equal in her country or not, because this time she is standing in the line in front of hospital. Everybody whosoever is standing in that line, all are poor. So all are poor. On the contrary, the line where she is standing in the morning, everybody belongs to all communities, all castes. They all were standing in the same line. This line, she was standing in the evening. The people who are standing in that line in front of the government hospital, they all are poor people. So she becomes unsure that what is equality really means, and whether everybody is equal in our country or not. So students, we will continue our lecture in the next part.